Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix the error code on your Bosch dishwasher. So guys, the error code we're going to be looking at in today's video is the E31 error code on your Bosch dishwasher. So what does the E31 error mean? This error simply means there's usually a problem detected by your dishwasher, whether it's water leaking into the base pan, which triggers the flooding protection, or a fault in the heat pump or zeolith drying system. It's common in premium models, so you're going to experience this only in premium models. But when it comes to the base pan filling up, it's a usual problem. An easily detected problem. Now, it may cause continuous draining or prevent your cycles from starting when you're making use of the dishwasher. So please keep that in note. Now, this is what the Zealot drying system looks like. And what are the common causes of the E31 issue? The common causes of the E31 issue are leakages or trapped water in the base pan from minor leaks, over soothing or tilting. Yes, if your dishwasher is unbalanced, you're most likely going to experience this problem. Now, another issue is moisture in the Zealot drying container. So when you have moisture like this is actually a problem. So please take a look at it. And then also faulty heat pump or heater, which is actually less common and actually needs a pro repair. So you're going to need someone professional to get it fixed. And then rarely the wiring or sensor issues could cause the E31 flash on your dishwasher. Now, what are the quick fixes you can try? One quick fix you can try is a tilt. So you could first unplug your dishwasher, place towels underneath it, and then carefully tilt it forward or backward or even sideways at 45 degrees to drain any trapped water from the base, and let it sit open and unplugged for a few hours or overnight to dry. Now, for your Zealot models like this model here, for this particular model, all you need to do is remove the Zealot cap and then leave the door open with the fan blowing into it. So all you need to do is just open up this chamber, point your fan at it or a cool source of air at it, and then allow the chamber to dry up. You can now perform additional checks by simply cleaning the filters and sump of debris. So if there's soothing, which is caused by using the wrong detergent, you could run a rinse cycle or add a bit of milk or vinegar to break the foam and then reset by unplugging the dishwasher for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's just basically you cleaning up your filters and it should solve the problem. And then once you're done, you can now reset it and plug it back in and run another cycle. And now if this problem still persists, if the E31 problem persists, it's likely a faulty heat pump. So this is what your heat pump looks like. It's actually a faulty heat pump. So you're going to have to contact Bosch support to get this fixed. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you.